Hello darlings, welcome to Tammy and Tiaras. Hang on Lucy. Is Lucy ready to say hi? Millie's down there. This week I'm showing you my self-care routine that I do every single morning. Without fail, this is what I do. And it's my way of saying, good on you Tam, you've got out of bed, you've got up. Now spend 10 minutes on yourself. I don't wash my hair every day because the colour fades too quickly. Lucy, stop. And I've just gone really, really bright pink at the moment, but it fades. As you know, you've seen me in episodes and how it fades. It's just how it goes. But anyway, so that's what I'm sharing with you this week. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you leave me some comments as to whether or not you do the same thing or what you do as your self-care in the morning. But here in 2022, this is what I've done every single day this year after my mental breakdown last year. Hello darlings, welcome to Tammy and Tiaras. Hang on Lucy. Is Lucy ready to say hi? Millie's down there. This week I'm showing you my self-care routine that I do every single morning. Without fail, this is what I do. And it's my way of saying, good on you Tam, you've got out of bed, you've got up. Now spend 10 minutes on yourself. I don't wash my hair every day because the colour fades too quickly. Lucy, stop. And I've just gone really, really bright pink at the moment, but it fades. As you know, you've seen me in episodes and how it fades. It's just how it goes. But anyway, so that's what I'm sharing with you this week. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you leave me some comments as to whether or not you do the same thing or what you do as your self-care in the morning. But here in 2022, this is what I've done every single day this year after my mental breakdown last year. It's sort of warm here in Ballarat. It's supposed to get to 15 today. So sort of got to pick something that I won't get too hot in. I think I'll pick this one. I'm feeling pretty happy today. Can you, darling? Last thing, top it off with some pretty creamy lipstick. Just got to clean my glasses. Which one today? I think I'll go for this one. All glittery and just smells divine. One of my favourites. Don't you love? It's not that expensive, this perfume. It's Paris Hilton. And she reminds me of Marilyn Monroe, the bottles. They're just gorgeous, aren't they? But of course, being with OCD, I have to have 3. No, Lucy. Have you noticed something different, ladies, gentlemen? I have a new tiara, and I have to say a big thank you to Ozay and Ahiranta who brought it for me, and it came all the way from England. And here you go. Isn't it beautiful? It is just divine. I love it. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much. The Happy Life Show. Look them up. They're on YouTube. They're fantastic. I'll try and leave a link. I'm getting better at that. Another thing I do, although not every day, is give myself a manicure once a week. And I've made a deliberate effort of making sure the things I use are absolutely beautiful things that you want to use. Another thing I do is I have a manicure at least once every week. And I've made it my business to make sure everything I use is absolutely beautiful. And this one is a vintage one that Bert bought me for my birthday, and we got it off of eBay. And it's absolutely gorgeous and I love it. It's a delight to use, and it makes doing your nails really, really fun because you've got this beautiful, beautiful manicure set to use, and it's just gorgeous. It's got all the little things, and it had never been used when I got it, and I love to use it. So that's one thing I do in my self-care routine is manicure. Very important. I love to journal every day. This book Simone brought me, and I've kept a track of everything that's happened this year, day by day. The good, the bad, the messy, the cold, it's all in the journal. I also like to put in 3 things I want to accomplish every day. Oh goodness, I'm exhausted after all of that. It's a lot of work trying to look half decent, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? So I'm going to make a pot of tea. There's nothing nicer than making a nice hot cuppa. You can sit down and relax. I always warm the teapot up first. It's a habit that I've had my entire life. I think I learned it from Mum and Dad. We used to always make the tea. Bert doesn't like loose tea leaves, whereas I absolutely adore them. But whenever I make a pot of tea and he's having some, I always use the tea bag because he hates to have floaties. Even if I sieve it, there's still some get through. So remember my motto, happy hubby, happy life. I just know that I have to let it draw a little bit longer. I always and have always used a timer for my cup of tea so that it's perfect. 3 minutes should do it. Top up the milk jug. It's always nice to have the nice china. There's something about that, isn't it? Isn't there? I've had this set for over 20 years with the matching cups. Thanks, Philip. Now, don't you love a tea cozy? Oh goodness, our Jacinta made us this. It's absolutely beautiful. She's got an Etsy shop. Pot of Tea, she's called. She does a wonderful job. So we always have fruit of a morning for our morning tea. So we always have an orange or a mandarin to get the vitamin C in. If Bert's working, of course it's all different. I just do it for 1 instead of for 2. I really felt like cooking on this day, and I made a beautiful pie that we had for a hot lunch actually. Turned out really, really well. Bert thoroughly enjoyed it. And there was enough left over for the next day. I realise this dress isn't very flattering, but by golly, it's comfy for around the house. And comfort's everything, isn't it, ladies? I just want to add that I hope you have a wonderful week wherever you are in the world. Bert and I certainly enjoyed this. I even put a tablecloth out. See, he loves a cup of tea. Here's my beautiful tiara in close-up photos for you all to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye for now. Love from Millie. And lots of love from a very sleepy Lucy, who lays behind me when I diamond dot. Bye. another thing I try to do, as this doesn't happen every day, but, oh, Lucy, no.